Okay, so now members, we are going to see how can we determine the image of an object using a graph. So we've been seeing how we get the coordinates of the image through calculating them using the matrix of rotation. But this time, they are going to give you the angle of rotation, then they tell you to use a graph to find them. So all we need a compass, we need a ruler, and then we need a protractor to handle these ones. Now, let us go through this question. A triangle ABC with the vertices A, B, and C was given a positive quarter turn about, so this is the point, so this becomes the center of rotation to A prime, B prime, C prime. Plot ABC on a graph and hence find the coordinates of A prime, B prime, and C prime. So, I think plotting is okay from senior one. Now I'm done with plotting. So you first put your triangle. Your A is 3, 3 there. Then your B 63, 6, then 3. Then your C is 3, 6, 3, 6. Now, after plotting, now you trace your point of rotation. So my point of rotation is negative 1, 1. Those are the processes. So after now noting out the point of, the center of rotation, now join all points to this center. So join A to the center, join C to the center, and also join B to the center. So after doing that, you come for the angle, a positive quarter turn. So you come for that turn, you know. Now our angle is going to be positive quarter turn times 360 degrees. And this will give us 90 degrees, meaning the angle of rotation is 90 degrees. So after doing that, you get your protractor. Now, you come after you join in, then to the center of rotation. Now, let me start with A. To get A, now you use a compass so that you can measure this distance from the center to the object. This is my A. So you draw an arc somewhere up in relation to 9. I think so 9 is going to be somewhere there. Then from there, you get a protractor. When you get your protractor, now you are going to measure 90 degrees. So, from here to here, I'm going to measure my 90 degrees. So, I put this on the line from here to here, like this. So, this one should be at the center. So, start my 90 degrees are going to be in this direction there. So if they're in that direction, meaning I come and I adjust my compass. The distance was the same from here. It was from here up to here. So that was the arc I drew there like this. So meaning this distance should be the same. The distance from the center of rotation to the object should be the same distance from the center of rotation to the image. Then after you get your, so you join to this one in simple using dotted lines, of course. So this was it. So you join using dotted lines like that. So this one is going to be now my A prime. Then to come to B, now you also get your compass. You get your compass, you measure from the point of rotation to where B is. So after measuring that, you come and you draw an arc. So it's that my arc is going to be somewhere there. It means that now this distance from here, then you also get from here, then you draw an arc up there. Then from there, you come and you measure 9 in relation to that arc. So then, when I get your protractor, why are you measuring 90? Because positive quarter turn, always positive quarter turn will move in this direction. So that's why I'm moving this one from here to here. If it was negative, now we move like this. But because it was a positive, that's why I'm from here going this side. You start, this one is making from A, then like this. Then also that's why, because of the positive will move anti-clockwise. Then my B, I come, still put my protractor there, in the center. So that's it. So my 90 degrees is going to be in this direction there. Not there, the direction from 90 degrees is going to be there. Then you draw a line, touch with that arc there. After doing that, you draw now from the center. Now you draw a line touching that arc. But through 90 degrees, the 90 degrees we have already measured. So these are now my 90 degrees. So it's going past here. Then till when it touches this arc there. Through my 90, then to the center. So now this is going to be my B prime. That's your B prime. When I come now to C, I first measure still from the center to C. From the center to C, then I transfer it this side. This is where the distance C is going to be. From here, the same distance. Why am I measuring? Because I don't like it's going to be somewhere there. Then I get a protractor. I come at a 9, where 9 is going to be. Now this is my line where my protractor is going to sit. Because I'm on C. There. Like that. Then I put, this is going to be my 90 degrees. You see 9, we are measuring 90 because it was our angle of rotation, quarter time. So this is my 90 degrees. Then from there, you get your ruler, and then you join from there now to the arc. This arc is helping us to measure the same distance. The distance from the center to object should be the same to that of its image from the center of rotation. So this is my point. Now C prime. So now after that we join. So we can join our triangle there. And then this one here. Sorry for the noise. So that's my triangle. Now, you see that this one has been rotated through 90 degrees. From here up here, we are measuring 90 degrees. Everything we are making 90 degrees. So this B to this also 90, this to this also 90. So it's the direction we are taking, it's the clockwise direction. So now, there you can read, after doing that, now you can read out the coordinates. So, my coordinates for A prime, my A prime, you see A, it's the coordinates here, it's going to be the X, read the X, then the Y. So it's going to be negative 3, comma, Y is 5. Then for B prime, it's going to be negative 3, comma, 8. Then for C prime, my C prime is going to be X is negative 6, then Y is 5. And that becomes our answer. So that's how we measure, that's how we rotate. Now, when I come to the second, now for them, they are giving us triangle PQR with coordinates. I'm done with the protein. Rotated through 90 degrees, 180 degrees, but you underline this one clockwise, meaning we are going to go like this in the direction. So our direction is going to be this way. This one, our direction was to go this side because of the one positive. So this one we are going this one because of the one clockwise. This is anti-clockwise or positive. This one is clockwise or negative turn. But the angle is 180 degrees. So meaning, now, what we do, we first plot. I think everyone can plot the points. I'm done with the plotting. The second part now is to join the points, the center of rotation. This one was written about the origin. So this one was about negative 1, 1. This one is about the origin. And this is our origin. Our origin is there at 0, 0. Then you join the all points to now the center of rotation like the way I'm doing there. Then after doing that, now you get your compass. Then you start with, let us start with P. You measure the distance from here to here. Now this time I'm not going this side because I'm going clockwise on this side. That's why my compass is going to go now like this. Here it was now going from here, it was going like this to follow that direction. But here it's going to follow that direction from here going this way. Now after putting there, you come and measure from the center rotation to the point, then you come now in that same direction, and then you drop your arc somewhere there. Then you get your protractor now, you measure 180. Now you put it the way it is, to there, in that order. Then you measure 180. You start, if I measure 180, my 180 is going to be from 0, 30, 40, 60, 80, 140, 150. This is where my 180 is going to be. This 180. But clockwise, I think we start, I'm following that direction clockwise. So it's going to be here. Then from there, I get my ruler. I put it from here, nation to the 180 through the center of rotation. I think you can see it there. So then you draw, but using dotted lines. So this is going to be now my P prime. My P prime is going to be there. P prime. When I we come to our Q. Our Q. Now we also adjust our compass from here now to Q. Q is there. After doing that, we come and we draw an arc. So you transfer now in the same direction, clockwise. Then you draw an arc. Where is there? You draw an arc around that point there. Okay, let me measure again. There, from the center to that. Then I come and I draw my arc properly. The first arc is not okay. So I come and I draw my arc like that. After drawing that arc now, I get now my protractor and we measure off 180. So now you are on now Q to the origin. So you put now in relation to that like this. That's where your mine is going to be. Then your 180, that's your 180 is going to be here. Because we start from 0 up to 180. So 180 is here. You see the direction, you are going also in that direction of clockwise. So my 180 is there. After, you get now this, you join from this, it should be straight to your 180. I think you see it. From this, it should come from this comes through the center, then up to when you touch your 180. That's 180. Now when I touch the arc, this arc was our distance from here up to here. It should be the same from there to there. So this is going to be now my Q prime. Then we come to R, the same idea. First measure the distance from here up to here. The distance should be the same from here up to here. Then you transfer in that order from there up to that is the distance. Then you come and you draw an arc down there. Okay, sorry, that's moved. I come and you do. Then you draw your arc in that order. That will give you the distance. Then from there, you get your protractor. You put it there. From the center, then to that line of 180. And to that line from the center to the point. I think that my one is going to be there. Then you get a ruler, then you draw from this line from the center, then 180, like that. It's going to come, should be from here, then you continue like that till when you touch the arc. That's my arc. And so this becomes now right. Then after that, all you need is now doing. So you come and doing those coordinates. You see that will be our triangle, similar to the one we have there. So that's what we do, members. Then I come and now write my coordinates for P prime. We read x, so that x is 2, then y is negative 2. Then my Q prime, I read for x is 5, then the other is negative 2. Then my R prime, the x is, my x for r prime is 3. Is it 3? For r prime, my x is going to be 3, comma, then this one is going to be negative 6. So those are my coordinates. So that's how we answer those questions, members. I wish you the best. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. That's it. See you.